Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sells Team's brand new listing. And you know what? We are in the fall market. And you know what? All you buyers that are sitting on the sideline, you better smarten up and jump back in, because you know what? August numbers were better than July's numbers. So you know what? We are on an upward trend. The interest rates went up, but you know what? The fixed rates are still the same. The stress test is still the same. So don't sit on the sidelines when you can come over here, buy this stunning, beautiful 3-bedroom semi. We have gorgeous hardwood floors throughout. We have 3 great sized bedrooms, brand new kitchen, granite counters, stainless steel appliances. We have a huge corner lot, great backyard, full finished basement with a gas fireplace, pot lights, above grade windows light. I'm 6'4", I have so much height in the basement. We've got parking, and you know what? We are here in the upper beaches. There are so many cool, funky shops along Kingston Road to go to, great little cafes, restaurants. You know what? You want to hop down the hill and you're in the beaches, and the beaches is crazy, and you got the bike path and you got the lake, and you know what? You want to get to work, the TTC is right across the street. So you don't even have to leak. It take you like a minute to get on a transit. So stop renting and buy now. Look, go to stusells.ca, see all the photos, the virtual tour, the video, and give me, Stu, a call.